Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to revolutionize your bathroom experience with the most epic game changer, the TOTO WASHLET A2 electronic bidet toilet seat? This thing is a total powerhouse, providing a refreshing clean for everyone with its gentle yet powerful water spray, and trust me, it's about to change the way you think about personal hygiene forever. Imagine having adjustable warm water and pressure settings at your fingertips, creating a cleansing stream with an oscillating option that leaves you feeling like you're at a spa. The contoured seat is specially designed for maximum comfort, with an adjustable heated bidet seat that provides consistent warmth coverage over the full seat surface, and the soft close technology is like a whisper, so quiet and smooth. But what really sets it apart is the self-cleaning wand that automatically cleans inside and outside before and after each use, giving you peace of mind and a sense of luxury. With over 60 million users worldwide, it's clear that this product is well reviewed and trusted by many, and for good reason. It's easy to install, and the customer service support is top-notch. Whether you're looking to upgrade your bathroom experience or simply want to try something new, this product is a must-have, and once you try it, you'll never go back to traditional toilet paper again. It's time to experience everyday excellence and take your bathroom game to the next level, so why wait? Give the TOTO WASHLET A2 a try and discover a whole new world of comfort and cleanliness. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.